Hello everyone, it's me Star Fox, and today we're gonna play Animal Hospital. Uh, but yeah, I'm gonna play solo, and I'm gonna put secret agent for it. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard because I suck at solo. So let's start. Yeah, skip Doctor Dialogue. Alright, let's start the game and let's see how it goes. I'm really afraid it won't go well, but yeah, we will see. We will see, I don't know. Alright, we're here, guys. Sheesh. I have free coffee. I have like no one stealing my coffee. Okay. Oh my god. And I'm playing on my phone, so this is gonna be more harder. It is. I mean, oh god. Yeah, I really want to skip the tutorial, but I can't. But I know everything, man. But sadly, I can't skip the tutorial, so I have to do it. Because if you don't know, Shift 1, this is actually a tutorial. There's no anomalies or something. And that actually really sucks. Because we can't skip the tutorial, so that actually really sucks. Okay, go inside, my friend. You're right. Just click unit test. I'm like, alright. Let's see, what do you need? You need herbs. So here you go, bud. I hope you die. I mean nothing. I hope you will be a great person and not like those annoying ones here. Okay, can you shut up, please? Thank you. No, shut up. Thank you. You're ugly though. Alright, take here and maybe room 2. Okay, room 2. He will need eye drops. Yeah. And really, guys, by the way, I really suck at solos, so yeah. If I was with Bill, I think I would do better, I guess. But oh, I don't know what just happened. I just got scared for no reason, but yeah, at least nothing happened. So yeah, I'm safe. You'll need you'll need eye drops. Here you go, eye drops, and now it's here. Yeah, so exceptional and secure cameras. Alright, secure cameras, my favorite thing. Alright, wait, that camera's already. How did that camera already broke, man? How? Okay, help. Alright, Oscar Jackson. Why Oscar? No, you're not. You're not part of the You're not part of the Jackson family. No. Yes, I am serious. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. That's so true. Dude, that's the real one. That's the real one? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, that's the real one. That's the real one. Yeah, I see. It's normal. I'm gonna put that code too. Do that shit. Okay. I have to call it then. Let me see your photo. Looks normal to me. Alright, here you go. You're going to be room straight up, right? You, you seem normal. You are normal, yes. Alright. Yeah, I know it. I know that. Alright, here you go. Oh. Yeah, you won't be room 5, you're gonna be in the trash can. There you go, trash can. Trash can, yeah. Now, who are you, man? I think you're an anomaly or some shit. I knew you were an anomaly, man. Get out of my face. Yeah, yeah, get out. Get out, man, I see you. Yes, I'm very serious. Yes, I'm serious, man. I'm serious, yeah. Alright. Well, I think you're gonna be normal since Aaron was an anomaly. Yeah, alright. Why are you looking at me like that? Alright. I mean, wait. Is your phone normal shit? Yeah, no. Alright, here you go. 2. You'll be in room 4. Oh, yeah. I'll go check the patients. Yeah, the other one is in the trash can, so yeah, that explains everything. I don't even know why I throw them in the trash can. I was just bored and I decided to throw them in the trash can because why not, man? Hey, dude. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Yeah. Have you ever wished to be backshotted? I hope you don't, cause I won't do that. I mean, Bill does it. Bill does it all the time. But yeah, I do it too though. Sometimes I join him. Anyways, Bill, guys, is a good guy. Yeah, he's a really good guy. Subscribe to him, everyone. Since we're gonna collab soon, we're gonna make a YouTube channel together, and we're gonna post together and all this shit. You know. But the bad thing is that Void isn't happy to hear that. You know, Void always is bored to work. Classic Void, I mean. Alright, get a maple syrup, get the cold syrup. Here you go, young man. Oh, I thought something happened to my screen. I was like, what happened? Oh my god, what am I? Ugh, do my voice. What the hell is wrong with me today? What's my head? Okay, yeah, I got better chocolate, I guess. I'm a lie. Oh yeah, Mr. Barney. I forgot about you, man. I know you're Barney. I just said your name. Sure, I have two coffees. Which one do you prefer? You prefer this, okay? And I'm gonna drink this. Cause I see so. Yeah, have a nice day. Well, Mr. Barney, I have more patients to treat, so you have to go away. Thank you very much. Alright, so let me check cams. Got an anomaly or some shit. Why is no one coming? Wait, well, what's happening? There's no. Oh my god. Yeah, you look too normal to me. Please don't hurt ours. Please, I see your face. I see you're very normal. Guys, that guy will haunt your dreams. Yeah, you came all this way to eat. Patience. Now you get treated. So yeah, leave. There's not a place to eat or some shit. You again? I think I saw you before. If I'm right. Why do you came again? Guys, am I correctly? I think I saw that guy earlier. Yeah, thinking the shift here. I'm in the tutorials on that guy. Anyways, Jojo Park. You'll be room 7. Oh, I thought a roommate. I really suck at roommate, but okay. By the way, guys. I think that guy wants coffee. Yeah, he wants coffee. Coffee stealer. You're a coffee stealer, you know that, buddy? Yeah, now stop hitting your head. Stop. Oh, Matthew, my man. Dude, nice to meet you again. insane, buddy. I feel you. Anyways, give me the anything you have. You have. I don't know. Alright, take a photo. Register. Bring badge. Give him his beautiful badge. Oh, he's a visitor. Here we go. Room 7. Oh, you're going to do this? That guy. Yeah, he's in room 7, you know? He's ugly, though. Just tell him that he's ugly. Thank you very much. Alright, wait. My camera broke. Why are the I'm cleaning this shit up, because the new sneak peek I saw in YouTube about the Animal Hospital Anomaly, the new sneak peek about the next update that is gonna release tomorrow. I'm always gonna clean the slimes now. Stop! Stop! Are you even real? Oh yes, you are. How are you real? Only 4 more patients to go. Here we go. I mean, 3 more patients to go. Since did the lights just flicker? Are the myths real? What kind of stalker? I hate you, man. Ooh. I'm sorry, CEO. What a weird name you have. An appointment. Of course you have an appointment. What will you have? A shit? Oh yeah, you have a shit too. Oh my god. Take that. Take here. Give me this. Put badge. See me with me. Here we go. We're gonna be in room 2. Okay, room 2. Why are the lights flicker? Why are the lights flickering? Well, what's happening? Man, open the goddamn lights now. I think someone hears me right now. Because when I said it, the lights just went up again. Okay, that's so strange. Anyways, I mean, that. Okay, that's not normal. I was gonna say this is normal. You're not normal. Rejected? Yes, rejected. And you. How dare you? Oh, yeah, how dare I? Yeah, I am brave. Not like you, bitch. Don't you dare. What did I say? Oh, god, no. Guys, I'm so sorry for swearing that much. What? Of course you have an appointment. In case you're a normal patient, I think. That's not a normal patient. I take my words back. I really take my words back for you, man. I take my. Yes, I'm so serious, you know. Yes. Now, but have a nice day. We're closed. We're out of service. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. My voice is happening. I don't know, guys, but my voice today is, a little bit weird. Also, about the secret killer, today I posted the trailer. I'm gonna remind you guys that the episode is not ready, and I'm really trying hard for it. And I don't really know animation like anime, so this is a little bit hard for me, you know. It it will take a long time, but I think it will worth it. Also, please just support the first episode when it came out, because I'm really trying hard to make it, and I mean every single day I'm continuing the episode. It's gone really well, and the episode was really well. Don't I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I need your guys' support. So yeah, that's it. Now let's continue down the hospital. You're not normal, man. Get out of here. Anyways, 1 more patient to go. Let me no, let me have the coffee for Barney. No. For Barney. Oh my god, I'm staring at your soul. course you're here for your appointment. Anyways, let me see if you're normal, buddy. Are you normal? You seem normal to me. To me, I don't know. So weird sometimes. Anyways, oh my god. Why am I still shift 3? Oh my god. Here, take it. Now let me go through the patients. Alright, here's the first patient. Here we go, yeah. Take your DNA and all the sample. Alright. One eye drop, one maple syrup. I think one bandage. You one bandage, am I right? Yes, I am. And one bandage, and then you're all fine. Guess. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, no, 3. I don't want to kill you, man. By the way, if Bill, if you're seeing this video, congratulations for 101 subs. I wish I had 100 subs, but I guess 33 subs is a good start. Not gonna lie, I'm really happy to have 33 subs already. To be honest, let me choose 2 sips. And I hope, guys, you will support me. You know, it's just support me. Because, you know, support helps. And thank you very much for the support. I haven't seen any hate from you guys. And thank you for that. Alright, one maple syrup. So here we go, one eye drop. And what was the other one? Was this herb or something? No, it was medicine. Alright, here we go. Oh my. And no more patients. I treated them all. Oh no, I did treat them all. Oh, there's. Oh yeah, there are 2 more in this room. What was that? Anyway. Oh yeah, the ugly one. Hey, where's Rathu? Where did Rathu go? Did you raid him or something? I think he left. So I don't know. I don't really trust you, man. I'm sorry that you're normal, but still don't trust you. Oh my god, dude. I'm playing on my phone. It's so hard. I hate playing on my phone. That's actually one of the reasons I hate playing on my phone. But I can't play on my tablet. My tablet's actually really huge. And it's not useful for the YouTube, for my YouTube content. So I'm just doing everything on my phone. Alright. One called syrup, one bandage, and one herbs. Bandage, called syrup, and of course, herbs. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Let's go to the other room. Oh, we're for accounting. What are you doing here? Yellow, red, green, red. Alright. Alright. Okay, process results. What do you need? A medkit, a bandage, and herbs. Alright, bandage, medkit, and herbs again. Once again, herbs. Why does everyone need herbs though? Alright, shift 4. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. This video is gonna be a long video. Well, I already have one, so can buy that. Can buy that. So the only thing I can buy is this shit. I already have it, man. I'm so sorry. Anyways, uh, let me see the photo. You look normal. I think. Trust you. Let me check the cams. Yeah, they're normal. Room 4, okay, I'm gonna see room 4 since it's shift 4. Get it? Room 4, shift 4. Yeah, such a cold joke. I know I'm very bad at jokes, guys. Don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Line in the ass. Line in the ass. Line in the ass. Dude, you have a line in the ass. Okay. Line in the ass, guys. You will remember me in Broadcore video call edition. These are jokes. And dude, line in the ass. This is where we get the line in the ass from Animal Hospital. Yeah, shut up. Okay, shut up. Shut up. Here, see? Line in the ass. And yeah, we were laughing like maniacs. That's the most funniest part. Let me fix the camera real quick. Here we go. Let's see the photo. Are you normal? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I saw the camera as well. Yeah. So yeah. Off we go. Room 7. Okay, whatever you say, kid. Dude, what's happening with the lights? No, you're an anomaly, I'm sure. I'm so sure. It's not you. What's not you? You're not an anomaly. Wait, does that mean? Does that mean the other guy was an anomaly? I think I let an anomaly inside my hospital. Dr. Harlow will fire me and then I will get the spondies. Guys, if I ever get fired in the animal hospital, I will go to spondies, don't worry. 4 more patients. Run from accounting once again. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm recording, you know. Yeah, I know you have told me like 100 times. Well, you have metal server too, here too, you know. Yeah, you're a visitor, I see. Room 1, yeah, room 1. Go to room 1, cause I fucking goddamn it. Let me see. Wait. Line in the S? Line in the S? Don't really see a line in the S. No, I don't see a line in the S. You don't have a line in the S. Oh my god. You don't have a line in the S, man. Lunar Rivers don't have a line in the S. There you go. Oh, there's 3 more patients. Okay, let me drink coffee again. I don't know. Oh, thank you. I know I am, but thanks for the compliment, I guess. I know you're after you. I'm watching you every single day. And guys, I apologize for not really posting. I'm not lazy. I'm making the episode, the first episode of Secret Killer, and I have some problems with my life, so yeah, that's why I don't really post. Have a nice day, man. Have a nice day. You can leave now. Holy shit, dude. Stop looking at me. Line in the ass. Line in the ass. No. You gotta see the line in the ass now. No, please. You have a line in the line in the ass. Line in the ass. I put the line in the ass. You have a line in the ass. What have you done to your ass? What have you done? Yeah. Anyways, guys, when me and Bill are gonna collab, this is gonna be fire. Cause can you stop interrupting me with shit? Okay, I'm gonna throw you in the trash or anyways. You didn't sign anything, didn't you? Good job, you didn't. I thought you didn't sign anything. Wait, I'm going to treat some patients because all the for fucking goddamn patients are waiting. And sorry for swearing, I'm used to it. I'm used to swear all the time, so yeah. Even my parents are saying, Hermit, stop swearing, but I can't stop. I'm used to it. It's like my life. It's just like a normal thing to me, but I know it's not. Anyways, guys, I know I am a yapper, but I'm super happy. I'm recording a video right now and talking to you guys because I have to post like a long time. I think I posted the trailer, but still, I want to be a good content creator and have subs and views and likes and good comments. But thanks for the support, I guess. Anyways, you need eye drops and bandages. Here you go. You need. Oh, you need like the same things, but you need herbs too. Okay, then here. What? Dude, can you like stop ringing the bell? Oh my god, I'm gonna shoot them. Dude, if it's an anomaly, I'm gonna shoot them. I'm gonna shoot them. Where are they? Stop it. Can you stop? Can you god it wasn't an anomaly, but I guess I can throw it to the trash can. Okay, fine, I'm not throwing it to the trash can. You're sick. Wait, is it? No, I thought it was like showing me to throw it in the trash can, but okay, fine, I'm gonna place you here. Less simple. Here, yeah, healed. Let me check you, man. Let me see if you're good. What do you need? Okay. Also, guys, it's a long video, but I know having the being in shifts, like in shifts, I don't know, shift 11 or something. I mean, I'm playing solo, so it's more difficult on solo. I mean, if I was like with Bill or with someone else, I could like maybe do it a little bit faster, I guess. Oh yeah, I really enjoy talking to you guys. Alright. One eye drop, and two, and one naked, one thermal. Here we go, here you go, man. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Alright, there's this last one. Shut up. Oh, it was an anomaly then. It was an anomaly, I guess. Yeah, I knew that. Okay. Oh my god, so many patients. I hate them. I absolutely hate them. Turn on. Let me do this shit. I'm gonna probably results. What do you need? Oh, only maple syrup. That's okay, I guess. I can give it to you. Here you go, man. Alright, you're all fine. Who is ringing the bell again? Alright, one, two, three. And it was an anomaly, but faster to check in. Why are they more coming? What are you? Why? When am I shooting someone? There are more people coming. Why is that even happening? Yeah, forgot about. Fired starring in room 7. No, he fires. God damn it. What do you need? Uh-huh. Who fainted? Who fainted and why? Don't tell me they're. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You shut up. Shut up, man. I have more important things to do, you know? Guys, is this a lag or some shit? I mean, guys, tell me I'm not hallucinating things. It said that someone fainted and then they died or they vanished or some shit. Oh my god! I'm gonna throw you in the trash. Cause I'm super tired of you. Get in the trash. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, two more patients. Oh my god. Oh my god, I really forgot about two more patients. I forgot about that. There were like two more patients, and I thought there weren't any more patients, and I was like, why are they still coming? I thought they were like an omelet or something, but we have two more patients. Oh shit. Can you stop ringing the bell? Here. Shut up, shut up. I'm getting tired of waiting. Dude, how are you getting tired of waiting? This is waiting for like 2 minutes or some shit. Alright, here we go. Room 3. Alright, one more patient, and then the ambulance will come and line in the ass. Line in there. A bullet in your head. Came to visit someone. Yeah, you came to visit, not someone. You came to eat someone. You mean? Oh, there's another one. Line in the ass. Line. I think line in the. Guys. Yeah, don't tell me why am I so obsessed with like line in the ass. It's just a joke. Me and Bella are telling it to each other like laughing like maniacs. If you saw the short called Main Broker video call edition, why are you going to roommate? Why? Why? There's a fireman. You should not go. You shouldn't go. You shouldn't. No, you shouldn't go. You shouldn't go. Oh god, no. Okay, now you can go. I hope I won't get you killed. Okay? Go inside and I hope you are. Please, I don't want to kill that man. Please. What's your name? I can't see, but okay. Give me those IV drops. Because we always start with IV drops. Bandage. Bandage here. Medicine. There we go. Scalpel. There we go. two again. Alright. One organ and two medicines. Here we go. One, two. For the other medicine, I guess here you go, Mama. Alright, completed the surgery. Listen to me. If you really want to speedrun the ambulance and you have a gun or you have a quick situation, I can show you a small tutorial that I think everyone knows, but I'm gonna show you guys how my speedrunning the ambulances. I just don't do nothing. I'm gonna show you how my speedrunning the ambulances. Alright. Yeah, I know why is the doctor coming, but I don't really care. Since I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna help you. 6 people died and many more were hurt. I know. I don't really care about shit. Okay, yeah. I'm prepared. I'm prepared. I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna speedrun this shit, Doctor Hollow. You will see. Here we go, guys. Release the gun. Boom. 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 And kaboom again. Yeah. See. 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 See what I'm saying? Those guys that are normal, they're not really even trash. That's so easy, right? I mean, you all can do that. So, yeah. See, guys, even Dr. Harlow is impressed. Yeah, I should end the video here, but it's too long, and guys, that's promise. I'm gonna make a video with Bill, like speedrunning and the hospitals and shit. Well, everyone, that was it for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. See you everyone in the next vid. See you guys.